In this video, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to double your hair growth and make your hair grow faster. Like, I'm talking about hair products, I'm talking about hair tools, hairstyles, hair mistakes you might be making, hair routines and habits you could add to your hair care regimen. And this will not make sense if you don't like this video, right? So make sure you like this video. Every like you give to this video is going to make YouTube know that you are very serious about growing your hair. This video is going to be focusing on appearance, how you can build confidence in wearing your hair and helping your hair grow in building appearance. The other part of this video is going to talk about health. If you want to know when that video drops, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And when you subscribe, make sure you click on this subscription bell, because if you don't click on the bell, YouTube might not push out the video to you. So make sure you click on the bell. What's up on Billion Gang? My name is Divine and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. I make things around hair and my life. So this already comes to an end. This is October. This is the 4th week in October. And if you haven't part of my hair growth challenge already, my dear, you've been sleeping. Welcome to the group chat. So I want you to imagine this. I want you to frame a picture in your head. Your hair is this shrub. Your hair is this seedling over here, actually. This is your hair. But you want your hair to grow into this tree, right? All the tips I'll be saying in this video is what is going to push you from here to here. If this is your first time seeing my face, I hope this is a good impression of me. I'm going to be guiding you through a step-by-step process to create your own hair care routine or hair care regimen. So in creating your hair care regimen, there are two things you take into consideration: how your hair appears when you wear your hair out, which is going to help building your confidence, and your hair health, essentially how your hair is faring, whether your hair is in good state or in a bad state. But this video is going to focus on the appearance. Like I said, step 1, use heat. Many YouTubers will tell you that you should not use heat, but actually, you get me in it, you get me, mate? Actually, you need to use heat. Like, it doesn't always have to be artificial heat. You can use natural heat. There are 3 main heats you should learn how to use to care for your hair. Of course, you know that heat damage can lead to the detriment of your hair. In order to avoid heat damage and in order to also care for your hair, also maintain your hair to look beautiful, also use heat. So first thing, blow drying. Now, if you are blow drying your hair, you don't always have to use the artificial blow dryer. If you don't want to use the blow dryer, you could use a diffuser. And if you don't want to use a diffuser, you could use African threading. Yes. And if you don't like African threading, if you don't like African threading, you could use the banding method, where you use your satin scrunchie to stretch your hair. Also, if you are into deep conditioning and you don't have that heat dryer, you could use your heat cap. Yes, your heat cap. You don't even have to get the extended heat cap. If you don't have that extended heat cap, you could use your shower cap and a bunch of scarves to tie your head. Yes, with a bunch of scarves. So those are different things you could try to blow dry your hair, because using heat now is going to open up your pores, and using heat in the blow drying sense is going to stretch out your hair. And when you stretch out your hair strands, you are elongating your hair, like I said in this video on how to make your hair fall down. You don't always have to use the electrocuted blow dryer. And stretcher and flat iron. Now, like I said, this video is focusing on appearance, but appearance in line with your hair care. Next video is going to talking about health itself. Now, you could get a stretcher if you wear wigs, but if you don't have a stretcher, my dear, you can still use your blow dryer. You can use your blow dryer and your brush, your roller brush. When you get your roller brush, use your blow dryer to stretch out your wig or your hair. Dyeing. Now, this one is very important, and it is a part of heat. If you've relaxed your hair before, I'm going to even keep dyeing and relaxing together. If you've relaxed your hair before, you've dyed your hair before, and you've experienced severe damage, you will notice that time you experienced damage, heat formed up in your hair. And this is because of the different chemicals and the heat that comes from those chemicals. When you relax your hair or when you dye your hair, make sure you use a heat protectant afterwards, because if you don't treat your hair like you just kept heat in your hair, or before you apply the dye or relaxer to your hair, if you don't have a routine that is going to help care for your hair, which I'm going to talk about in the next video, so make sure you subscribe. If you don't have a heat protectant, if you don't deep condition, your hair is going to get in a bad face. So make sure when you are using a dye or relaxer, make sure you have heat protectant. I know people that are relaxed also watch this channel. If you are relaxed, let me know in the comment section. If you are relaxed, I would recommend that you relax your hair every 8 weeks, not 4 weeks. 8 weeks, because if you're relaxing your hair every month, you are most likely to have heat damage and your hair shedding. So if you are relaxed or you dye your hair, like, let's not be lesser than 8 weeks. next tip is hairstyling, and this is very important because this year I decided not to wear any attachment or extension on my hair apart from like wigs. Hairstyling is a skill. If you are keeping your hair, whether your hair is relaxed or natural, you have to learn the skill to care for your hair. I'm not talking about braiding your hair because not everybody that can braid hair. I'm talking about styling your hair. Now, when I'm saying styling, I'm not talking about professional styling. I'm talking about styling that you're styling and you're going out and you're looking good. It's just like styling your outfits. Styling your outfits is a skill, and people have to learn that skill. I mean, people have to learn that skill. So you have to learn the skill to style your hair. I'm saying this so harsh because I feel you. If it's learning how to style your edges, go and learn how to style your edges. If it's learning how to twist, go and learn how to twist. See those two things I just said? There are two skills you have to learn. Other things could be getting Pinterest inspirations. When you get Pinterest or Instagram inspirations, save them. Save styling inspo, just like the way you will save styling inspo for your outfits. Save styling inspo for your hair because you don't want your hair looking bashy. Because your hair is looking shaba shaba. Your hair might not be in good health state and you will not even be confident yourself wearing your hair. So what's the essence if you are wearing your afro hair and you are not confident? Please, my dear, learn the skills I just mentioned. I don't style my edges every time. Yes, you have to learn the different tools and products you will need to style your hair. Like if it's bobby pins, you will need to style your hair. If it's hair clips, you will need, or hair clamps. Learn so that as time goes by, you will know the style that suits you. Just like the way we have different styles in outfits, you know the style that suits you with your hair. But I have a video where I said 10 hairstyles that will grow your hair. That will grow your hair, and you can wear these hairstyles with your afro hair and grow out your hair. Still be very confident. I'm talking good professional hairstyles. Yeah. So check that video after this video. I really hope you have liked this video already. Please like the video. Merci. Thank you. Let's talk about tools and products. So like I said, this video is about confidence. So you wear your hair and your hair is in the healthiest state as possible. Because if your hair is not looking good, trust me, it's not gonna feel good. I already have a video where I talked about the different types of products and their uses. So if you are new to this hair care journey, make sure you check out that video after this video. But don't worry, I'm not just directing you to videos. Remember, I'm helping you create your routine. What was the first thing I said? I talked about heat styling because you need to learn how to use heat. Also care for the health of your hair. Then, when you're starting out your hair journey, whether you're relaxed or natural, you have to learn how to twist and you have to learn how to style your edges. I'm telling you, nobody told me this. Please don't worry, if you don't know how to style your edges, you could get somewhere that will do it for you. If you don't know how to twist, you could get somewhere that will do it for you. I'm going to talk about that in wash day and routines. But before we get there, I just want to know that you have to learn the skills for yourself. Getting somebody to do it for you is cool. It's cool. It's not everybody that's always going to know how to do a skill. But I beg you, try to learn to style your edges and twist your hair. I'm talking so fast, but I hope you can hear me. Products you should get. The first product you should get is a shampoo. If you are starting out, I will suggest you get a clarifying shampoo. Later on in your hair care journey, you can get a moisturizing shampoo, but you need a shampoo to clear out the gunk in your head. That's what the shampoo is for. Then a conditioner that comes with the shampoo. So once you're washing out your hair dry, you're getting a conditioner that is giving it moisture, but you need a deep conditioner. Now, mayonnaise or protein treatment or whatever you are using to, whether it's rice water, hibiscus, fenugreek, egg, or whatever you saw on YouTube that you're trying to use to grow your hair, you will now put it in this category. So I said shampoo, I said conditioner, deep conditioner, mayonnaise, mixtures, protein treatment. The next product is natural oils. So natural oil is separate from the mixtures you want to try. You could try a hot oil treatment for your pre-poo. You could try it, or even after you shampoo and condition. But you should also have oil in your scalp or oil in your edges when you wash your hair or you do your skincare routine in the night. So you need your natural oils. Moisturizer is very important. Like the first three products you should get is a shampoo, a moisturizer, and a good natural oil. Those are the first three products you should get if you want to start your hair care journey. As the money is coming, you can add in the rest. Get a good hair pomade that has or contains natural oils in them. Still on the topic of styling, get a good edge control or styling gel. People use Eco Styler. I'm not an Eco Styler fan. I heard it's nice to lay. It wants to lay. It is a very stubborn hair. It's nice to double. What I use is got to be glued. Yeah, and that's what people use for their lace fronts. That's what I use for my edges because my edges is that strong. Gorilla snot. make sure you get good styling gel. If you want to save money, like I said, make sure you check out this video because I explain all the uses of these different products. Now let's talk about tools. You don't need so much tools. You just need the main things to care and style your hair. The rest of the things are just jagbajan sister. It's just like aesthetics, like giving aesthetics. The first tool you need is a white tooth comb. It's not everybody that combs their hair. I'm not going to be the one that will sit down here and tell you that you have to comb your hair. If you want to, please comb your hair. If you don't want to, it's not by force. It's not by force. It's if you want to. Me, there's no way I'm not going to comb my hair because my hair is to shrink inside. Have money to get a spray bottle or an applicator bottle, please don't get them. If you can't recycle your body spray or body mist container or you don't have one, dip your comb inside a bowl of water and bring it out, then comb your hair, or dip your hand inside water directly, then finger the tangle, please. But if you have the money to, and for your comfort, you could get a spray bottle. A scarf is better than a bonnet, please. You don't know what to get first, please get a scarf before you get a bonnet, because your bonnet might fly away to only God knows where when you wake up in the morning. But if you tie your scarf in place, it might stay till the next morning. And other tools you might get, just style your wig and your hair, and to look presentable and groomed, you get hair barrettes, hair clips, hair pins, hair beads, hair clamps, hair brushes, different hair brushes. Don't get edges brush, use your old toothbrush, hair rollers, wave formers. If you just want to spend money, if you want to. Now before I go to the most important part of this video, I want to give a big shout out to present day to SDA. I hope I got your name. Thank you for being the first person to comment on my last YouTube video. A big shout out to all of you guys also commented on the video. And if you made this part of the video, please tell me in the comment section, do you know how to style your edges by yourself? It's not everybody that has that skill. I'm telling you, it's not everybody that can style their edges. It's not a crime. So I'm joining to 100k subscribers, so make sure you subscribe. Once we get to 100k subscribers, I'm going to launch a bullet journal. This video is going to help you to create your routines for years to come. So make sure you like the video right now if you haven't. Yes, because I know you haven't still liked the video. Thank you. And if you guys want me to make any other kind of merch, please tell me, because when we reach 100k, we're gonna achieve that by the grace of Jesus Christ. This is a very important part of this video, and I want you to be very attentive. Of all the routines in the hair care journey, one of the most important routine is your wash day routine. Out of all the things you've written down in creating this your hair care regimen, the wash day routine encompasses different hair routines like deep conditioning routine, your shampoo routine, your trimming routine. It encompasses all those things. Your take down your braids, 3 months to keep braids routine, or making a new hairstyle. Your wash day literally is connected to all these routines I said. So like I said, next video is going to be about health, but if you understand everything I'm saying in this video, it's going to be easier for me to explain in the next video. That's why I brought this video out. So let's talk about wash days, tips you need to help you. First thing is, you need to have a signature hairstyle. If you study every natural hair YouTuber, when they wash their hair or when they are done washing their hair, they have a particular signature. It doesn't have to be every time, but they have a hairstyle that they are going to make when they are done washing their hair. Yeah. Even if it's a wash and go is a hairstyle. What's your signature hairstyle that your hairdresser is going to make for you, or the hairstyle you're going to make for yourself when you come out of that shower? So I want you to write it down. Like I said, I want you to be serious. You made it this far to this part of the video. I want you to be serious. Write it down. What is the signature hairstyle that you do when you wash your hair? For me, in my family, I and my sister, the signature hairstyle has always been twists, like twist or braids, but practically mostly chunky twists. Yeah, for hairstyles that most hair influencers do after they wash their hair. First hairstyle is twists. Like I said, I do twists. The second hairstyle, braids, chunky braids. Third hairstyle is a bantu knot. And another hairstyle you're not noticing that hair YouTubers are using, even those in the relaxed hair community, are using to stretch their hair once they wash their hair and they come out of the shower or they go to the hairdresser's place to wash their hair. Slick buns. Yes. So pick which hairstyle is going to be your signature hairstyle. You might as well switch it up. You might do braids this month. Next month you could do twists. It's up to you. The reason why you have to know this now is because of you want to avoid frizz, you want to avoid breakage, you want to avoid dryness, you want to avoid shedding. You want your hair to grow fast, right? And that leads me to my next tip. My next tip is for you to invest in reducing breakage. If you invest in reducing breakage, trust me, your hair is going to grow. whether it's breakage in your edges or breakage by the side of your ears, whether it's breakage in the middle of your head. If you focus on reducing breakage, your hair is going to grow. I have many videos on how to reduce breakage, but I particularly selected this one for you.
Yeah!